A very good evening, ladies. I hope you guys are all doing good. A digital hi to everyone. I would request you all to start your videos. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. I hope you guys are all good, fit, and healthy. But let's make this even better because we have a very, very special expert on board today, Sakshi Shekhar, Urf the Magic Platter, the woman who would be talking about all things healthy, all things nutrition, and of course, your diet plans. So, welcome on board, Sakshi. And I guess there is no reason to delay. The women are all set to hear it from you. So, over to you.
Hi, everyone. Hope you're doing fabulous today. Yes,
Well, I am Sakshi Shekhar. I'm a nutritionist.
साक्षी आपका वीडियो ऑफ हो गया है.
Can you still hear me, Harry?
Yeah, we can hear you, but the video is off.
Okay, let me work upon it in the meantime. I'm so sorry for this glitch.
Yes, I'm back. And let's just get started before, all the glitches come again. So I welcome you aboard this specialized training of FCR Miss Mrs. India 2021. Congratulations, ladies. Aap already crown winners. So I'm so proud that I am a part of your journey already. And now let's get you ramp ready because, we have met in sessions before. We followed each other on Instagram. And I just want to know, any of you, are you all following anything that we have learned before, or anything that you've been doing for yourself? Say you're working out or not, just give me a thumbs up. Yes, lovely. And how about your diet? Eating according to your calories? Great, amazing batch this is. So I'm going to talk about a few things which is going to eventually work up on the final day. ये इम्पोर्टेंट इसीलिए है क्योंकि आप अभी जो भी करते हो उसका रिपोर्ट कार्ड, आपकी हेल्थ का रिपोर्ट कार्ड is going to come on the final day जब आप actually बहुत stress माहौल में होगे at the finale event. So let's get you ramp ready by talking about the most important aspect, which is your stamina. स्टैमिना इसीलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आपने बहुत सारा कुछ करना है वहां पे, और ना आपको वहां पे ज्यादा खाने की फुर्सत होगी, ना आपको स्लीप प्रॉपर मिलेगी, ना आपको एक्सरसाइज का टाइम मिलेगा. सो व्हाटएवर वी डू नाउ, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द रिजल्ट लेटर. So food is our fuel. Let's choose it wisely. There are 6 ingredients I'm going to talk about today. You can note it down in your notepads, and we are going to add these ingredients in your diet from tomorrow onwards, or today if you please. So let's start with the first ingredient. It's oats. Yes, our very own oat meal is the best thing that you can start your day with. It is rich in fiber and it is nutrient dense. So you can, use it as a pre-workout meal as well, girls. So आप जितने भी लोग workout कर रहे हो और जो नहीं कर रहे, I'll promote them to workout. Please use it as a stamina builder. इसके अलावा आप second ingredient हमारी है yogurt. आप वो भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो as a you can use it as a smoothie का base और your shakes के base के तौर पर. It has excellent nutrients, calcium है इसमें, और it also has a lot of probiotic. आपकी gut health को improve करेगा. आपकी जितनी भी digestive issues हैं, lot of us in the pandemic have had jobs at our homes, और हम mostly seated रहे अपने work stations के साथ. तो कोई भी डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज अगर आपकी डेवलप हुई है तो आप डेली बेसिस पे थोड़ा थोड़ा योगर्ट कंज्यूम करो, से 100-120 ml, एंड यू कैन थ्रो इन सम फ्रूट्स आल्सो एंड यूटिलाइज इट एज अ डेजर्ट. तो आप योगर्ट का यूज करोगे फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. Third ingredient is peanut butter. Peanut butter again is a breakfast essential, especially for people who work out and especially for people who have sugar cravings. आप उसको 1 tablespoon, and we will limit it to 1 tablespoon only, by the way. So you can use it in both ways. from tomorrow onwards, because it gives you an instant, kickstart to your day. So these are the 3 things. Firstly, जो आप कल सुबह आपके ब्रेकफास्ट में ऐड कर सकते हो. चौथी इंग्रेडिएंट जो बहुत इजी सी है और बहुत सारे लेजी लोगों के लिए आसान बनाएगी लाइफ, वो वर्सेटैलिटी है इसमें. वो है हमारे एग्स. Eggs are rich in, proteins, nutrients, बहुत सारा. It helps in building your stamina. You can use it as a post-workout meal, क्योंकि प्रोटीन जरूरी होता है हमारी बॉडी को रिप्लेनिश, अपने हमारे जो एनर्जी लेवल्स या मसल्स जो हमारे ब्रेकडाउन होते हैं while we are working out, उसको इम्प्रूव करने में, रिपेयर करने में प्रोटीन हमारी हेल्प करता है. जो लोग आप में से वेजिटेरियंस हो, आप दाल, सोया चंक्स, लेंटिल्स, स्प्राउट्स वगैरह ले सकते हो अपनी डाइट में. Fifth ingredient is almonds. Almonds, again, it's nutrient dense, girls. So आप उसे 5 to 8 grams a day आप ले सकते हो अपने डाइट में. From, you can start your day with almonds and whatever, 0 calorie beverage you start your day with. Excuse me. So, and the final ingredient, the happiness fruit. Can anybody guess what is the happiness fruit? It is banana. So banana, irrespective of any age, lot of people consume it. Lot of people find it really easy to consume. तो आप लोगे banana, it has natural sugars, तो ये instantly kick start देता है एनर्जी के लिए आपके, और it improves your mood also. So here are the 6 ingredients जो आप note down करो. If you want me to repeat, we'll repeat it again later. तो ये ingredients हम use करेंगे अभी से लेके आपके finale day तक. The 6 ingredients will really help you in, improvement of your energy levels. Next, we will talk about your skin. क्योंकि जो स्किन होती है हमारी, अगर हम स्किन का ख्याल रखते हैं, आपकी स्किन, हेयर, आपके नेल्स, आपके हाथ, आपके पैर, ये सब आपकी हेल्थ स्टेटस की डेफिनेशन है. आप जब कहीं भी जाते हो, people look at your hair, your nails, your skin, automatically they know that you are coming from a healthy background. You have taken care of yourself. And anybody who takes care of themselves, वो immediately important हो जाते हैं लोगों की नजरों में. आप एक बहुत बड़े सोशल सर्कल में एंटर करने वाले हो. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपकी स्किन, नेल्स, हेयर बिल्कुल प्रॉपर रहे, एंड इट शुड ग्लो इनसाइड आउट. ओके, तो पहला इंग्रेडिएंट, एंड दीज इंग्रेडिएंट्स बाय द वे यू कैन यूज इट for ingestion and you can also apply it on your skin. तो ये एक तीर से 2 निशाने वाली बात है. तो पहला इंग्रेडिएंट हमारा है एलोवेरा. ये एलोवेरा जब मैं बोल रही हूँ तो ये नेचुरल एलोवेरा है. ओके, ट्राई टू गेट द प्लांट एंड गेट इट सॉर्टेड. तो हाइड्रेटिंग एलोवेरा जूस में हेल्प यू इंक्रीज द फ्रीक्वेंसी, रिड्यूस द फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड अपीयरेंस ऑफ एक्ने. ओके, तो आप इसको कंज्यूम कर सकते हो. कैसे? 1 टीस्पून इन 100 ml ऑफ वाटर. आप इसको अप्लाई भी कर सकते हो ओवर योर स्किन. आपके हेयर पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो फॉर लस्ट्रस हेयर एंड ग्लोइंग स्किन. हमारा सेकंड इंग्रेडिएंट है पोटैटोज. यस, पोटैटोज, द ऑल टाइम डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड पोटैटोज. वी विल कंज्यूम इट इन अ स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी फॉर रिड्यूसिंग द अपीयरेंस ऑफ एक्ने, क्योंकि इसमें ना एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज होती है. तो पोटैटो आप यूज कर सकते हो. डू नॉट ऐड एक्स्ट्रा फैट टू इट. पोटैटो का कहने का मतलब ये नहीं कि वी जस्ट डीप फ्राइंग, फ्रेंच फ्राइज खा रहे हैं, गुड फॉर आवर स्किन. ऐसा तो नहीं होने वाला ना. राइट. सो नेक्स्ट, अब इसकी एप्लीकेशन के बारे में बात करते हैं. पोटैटो, अगर आप एक स्लाइस लेके आपकी जो हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन है आपकी कहीं पे भी स्किन पर, आप उस पर अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज इट अंडर द आईज, आपके डार्क सर्कल्स एक्सेट्रा के लिए, क्योंकि इसमें एक एंटी ब्लीचिंग एजेंट होता है एंड इट विल जस्ट रिड्यूस द इफेक्ट ऑफ इट. थर्ड इंग्रेडिएंट जो कि बहुत पॉपुलराइज हो गया है वेस्टर्न कल्चर में इज आ टर्मरिक, जिसको येलो गोल्ड भी कहते हैं. अब हमारे जो गोल्डन मिल्क जिसे पॉपुलराइज कर रहे हैं दीज पीपल, इट इज एक्चुअली हमारा हल्दी का दूध, जो कि हमारी दादी ने बहुत इंसिस्ट किया होगा पीने के लिए, पर शायद हमने कभी ना पी हो. अब आप पियोगे क्योंकि इट गिव्स यू अ नेचुरल ग्लो. ये हमारा ब्राइट येलो ट्रेडिशनली मेड इंडियन बेवरेज. इट्स, आप इसे काउज मिल्क के साथ या obviously fat free, try to get skim milk, and or if you're getting cow's milk, just remove the fat from it. आप उसमें turmeric थोड़ा सा डालो, उसे उबालो, add some cinnamon and elaichi to flavor it and consume it every night. Okay, and you can also apply it over your skin for application. You know how we go about it, right? The Upton is also a traditionally old way of using it. Just try to not go in the sun after you've applied turmeric. The fourth ingredient is oatmeal, जिससे हमने शुरुआत की थी आपके स्टैमिना की. तो you already know कि oatmeal से क्या क्या हमें benefits हैं उसे कंज्यूम करने से. It's packed with fibers and nutrients. पर oats को आप स्किन पे लगा सकते हो एज अ स्क्रब, और इससे बहुत अच्छी नरिशमेंट मिलती है. अभी विंटर्स का टाइम है तो आप हनी भी डालकर लगा सकते हो. इसमें आपकी स्किन पे मॉइस्चराइज नेचुरल मॉइस्चराइजर आ जाएगा अगर आप ओट्स विद हनी यूज करते हो विद स्किन. हमारा फिफ्थ इंग्रेडिएंट है ACV, एप्पल सीडर विनेगर. इसमें भी एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं एंड ओवर द पीरियड people do consume it for weight loss as well. आप इसे यूज कर सकते हो एज अ स्किन टोनर, जैसे हम नॉर्मल टोनर परचेज करते हैं. आप उसको डाइल्यूट करो, एक स्प्रे बॉटल में डालो एंड एज अ टोनर यूज कर सकते हो. एंड द लास्ट इंग्रेडिएंट इज ग्रीन टी. ग्रीन टी के बारे में बहुत सारा कुछ कहा गया है. इट हैज अमेजिंग एंटीऑक्सीडेंट प्रॉपर्टीज एंड इट हैज it should be used as a post workout drink. लेकिन इसे इस्तेमाल कैसे कर सकते हो आप? एज अ फेस मास्क यूज कर सकते हो, या फिर आप उसका वेपर ले सकते हो अपनी स्किन पर. एंड ऑल दीज आर द लिटिल टिप्स दैट यू कैन ट्राई फॉर a very natural glow on your skin. So girls, my question, जैसे मैंने शुरुआत की थी कि how many of you are working out? Can you raise your hands again? I have a few questions to throw. Okay, Raj Lakshmi, for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Workout meal you are having?
Workout meal, I'm starting with some dry fruits and black coffee. And post workout, I'm drinking green tea. And I've substitute chapati. I'm eating bhakri. I don't know what it is called. Bajre ki bhakri, we call it.
Okay. And how about Samantika? Post workout क्या लेते हो Samantika?
Okay, post workout, I take a bowl of like oats and then no sugar and then Greek yogurt, the Epigamia, the natural one, and then just a bowl of that I think is good for me. Like after that, I don't eat anything post workout. Pre workout, I do eat a banana and green tea and almonds and walnuts, and after that, post workout I use.
Great, you all are already trained, and I'm very glad to be seated right in front of you. So Sharon, my question to you is, do you think you should have water while you're working out?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm suffering from bad throat.
Oh,
I hope you.
if you can speak.
Yeah, ma'am. While working out, we should have only limited water, only to adjust our throat. That's it. Because if we are going to drink a lot of water while working out, it can be disastrous because it's not allowed. As I am a yoga trainer since 6 years till now, yoga, Zumba, and power yoga, I keep on training people. So I already know that before 2 hours, maximum 2 hours, you have to be empty stomach, and then you have to go for the workout. And after that, you have to take a proper diet, which all the things you included, exactly that all things I also go for my clients also.
Lovely.
So actually my throat is very bad today.
Take rest. That's okay. Thank you so much for your insight. So I'll just quickly cover a few things, a few pointers. You already aware कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. For those of you are going ahead with the workout, I'd like to talk about it. So it is very crucial कि आप workout के पहले कोई भी form of carbohydrate ले. Carbohydrate has a tendency to break down into energy within 30 minutes, and it will give you that instant energy to do the workout. Carbohydrate कैसे ले सकते हैं? We'll take in smaller quantity. You can go for arrowroot biscuits, you can go for banana, you can go for half a chapati, if you can go for simple half a bread, smaller quantity. Okay, make sure कि ये overdo ना करें. ये हमें बहुत स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में रहना है. जैसे कि शरौन ने भी बताया कि आपको एम्प्टी स्टमक रहना है. इसका बस मुद्दा ये है कि इससे थोड़ी सी एनर्जी आपकी बॉडी को डिलीवर होगी वर्कआउट के लिए. वाइल वर्कआउट के बारे में मैं लास्ट में बात करूंगी. पोस्ट वर्कआउट इट इज वेरी क्रूशियल कि आप अपने प्रोटीन इनटेक को बढ़ाएं. वाई? बिकॉज जब हम वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं तो हमारे जो मसल्स हैं वो ब्रेक डाउन होते हैं. उसको रिप्लेनिश करने के लिए, रिपेयर करने के लिए हमें थोड़ी प्रोटीन की जरूरत होती है. तो प्रोटीन, वेदर आप प्रोटीन शेक्स के फॉर्म में लो या फिर नेचुरल प्रोटीन, जैसे मैंने कहा था एग्स हमारे हाईएस्ट बायोलॉजिकल वैल्यू ऑफ प्रोटीन होल्ड करते हैं तो आप एग्स ले सकते हो, या कोई भी प्रोटीन इनटेक आप करो. Coming to your beverages that you should have before and after workout. So black coffee, a lot of us are already taking black coffee before workout. Caffeine actually gives that instant kick to your system. तो आप black coffee जरूर लो before you are working out. While working out, it is crucial कि आप अपने जैसे कई सारे लोग कहते हैं water intake नहीं करना है while workout, क्योंकि there's also an apprehension कि जैसे कि शरोन ने कहा कि कुछ क्वांटिटी में पी सकते हैं. At least 1 liter आप लो within that whatever span you are having in sips, क्योंकि जब हम वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं we are losing on water, we are losing on electrolytes, we are losing on lot of sweat, है ना. इससे फैट नहीं निकल रहा. lot of people think कि फैट निकल रहा है इसलिए पानी नहीं पीते, बॉडी को गर्म होने देते, जितना पसीना निकलेगा उतना फैट निकलेगा, पर ऐसा तो होता नहीं है. It's just waste material that is coming out and lot of electrolytes we are losing upon. उसको replenish करने के लिए sips में पानी पीना important है, not galloping down at a go, नहीं तो you will throw up. Okay, so a lot of people have seen people in the gym throwing up. This is the reason why they throw up. Either उन्होंने बहुत ही close proximity में खाना खाया है या फिर उन्होंने बहुत सारा कुछ पानी पी लिया है. So this is the pre-workout and post-workout things. Apart from this, ladies, I'd like to point out 5 things that we have to follow. Obviously, we spoke a lot about water. Hydration is very crucial for you. How many of you are having 3 to 4 liters of water per day? No? Okay. This is very important for your skin. आपकी natural glow के लिए water, आप खुद ही अगर 5 days ही regime follow करोगे, आपको लगेगा आपकी skin glow कर रही है. So imagine we still have 20 days in hand. So let's go for it. Let's go for this 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Okay? ये हम करेंगे. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ पानी से अपना water intake करो. There are a lot of questions that that I've heard in the past session also, in the last session also, कि कुछ लोगों को इतनी प्यास ही नहीं लगती है ना, जितना कि हम पानी पी सके. तो what to do in that case? I personally am the one who falls in the similar category, जिसको बहुत सारा I don't feel that thirsty all the time. हालांकि you will always find this next to me, and this is one of a bahana कि मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ तो I'll finish like 1 liter of water right now. So what we can do about it, girls, what we can do is we can infuse different flavors in water. आप सौंफ infuse कर सकते हो अपने पानी में. सौंफ is the natural hunger suppressant, especially for people who are trying to lose weight. उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. अगर आपके बॉडी में वाटर रिटेंशन होती है तो आप जीरा या कोरिएंडर सीड्स डाल के उसको इन्फ्यूज करके आप उसका वाटर ले सकते हो. अगर आपको फ्लेवर के लिए चाहिए या वेट लॉस ऐसे इंटेंशंस हैं आपके, तो आप सिनेमन वाटर ले सकते हो. तो वी हैव लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस टू इंक्रीज अ वाटर इनटेक and not make it boring. So there is, you can also try this one, take a picture and just throw in some sliced cucumber and ginger and lemon and वो एक अच्छा not so bland water intake आप कर सकते हो उस तरीके से. इसके अलावा soups, dal and lot of other options are there. आपके fruit juices, green juices, ये सब आप try कर सकते हो. So this is one thing that I wanted to elaborate upon. Secondly, eat according to your calorie. आपकी जो TDE है, total daily energy expenditure, find that out, and eat according to that number. So if you eat according to that, you'll be able to maintain your weight. If you eat 300 to 400 calories over it, you can gain weight easily. A lot of people need to gain weight. I have had a lot of questions of weight gain. And people who want to lose weight will eat 300 to 400 calories below that number. आपको TDE कहाँ मिलेगी? You can find your TDEE at any given app. आप अपने आप उसको आप Google करोगे, find my total daily energy expenditure. They will ask a few questions and they will fulfill your answer over there. So once you get that number, आप उसके accordingly please खाना in few days के लिए. Okay. Thirdly, sleep patterns. So क्या हम 6 to 8 hours of sleep ले रहे हैं at the moment? Nice. अगर नहीं ले रहे हैं तो फाइनल डे पे डार्क सर्कल्स और अंडर आई मेकअप के लिए तैयार हो जाएं, क्योंकि it will definitely be visible. और naturally तो अगर आप naturally ये करते हो तो no amount of cosmetic will cover it, है ना, क्योंकि there will be times जब आप बिना मेकअप के भी रहोगे and people will watch you. तो अच्छा रहेगा कि आप स्लीप प्रॉपर लो अभी कुछ दिनों के लिए, क्योंकि फाइनल डे पे तो वो ऐसे ही रिक्वायर्ड होने वाला है. And the last thing, requesting Anjali to please mute her mic. Thank you so much. Yes. So workout, coming to the workout. Sorry, ladies, on behalf of Anjali. Yes, about the workout. So how many of you are into weight training? Anyone can raise their hands? Priyanka, you into weight training? Okay. Anybody who's doing weight training at the moment in this batch? Why I am talking about this is because weight training actually gives you the right amount of toning to your body. Okay, even if you have flabs, we do not have the issues of overweight or underweight, being underweight. We are accepting you anyhow, but a toned body will anyhow look beautiful. So even if you do not have dumbbells, try getting indulged into some kind of weight training for the few days that you have. Even if it is for 30 minutes, you can use like 1 liter water bottles and look for a Google link wherein YouTube link wherein there is weight training for beginners, because nobody here is doing weight training. I'd like you to go for beginners version and try it out for 30 minutes, and 10 days or 15 days down the line you'll really thank me, ladies. I'm really promoting you all to go for it. Okay. Lastly, about the stress, there are so many of them in our lives, and I'm sure all of us, agar main aise baat rahi hu, a lot of people are smiling already. So I will not say कि do not stress, but what I can say is कि weight को लेके stress मत लेना, या आपके inches को या scale को या फिर इस pageant को लेके stress मत लेना. That is under our control है ना. बाकी सब चीजें जो है वो beyond my control है. But what is related to you, your physiological conditions, we can work upon it together. So do not stress on your weight. Anyhow, you're not being judged on your weight, on your numbers, right? So feel free and keep it easy. I'd like to talk about a few things that we are going to, face on the final day, on the finale. So how really are you going to conduct yourself? Like, agar aap wahan jaate ho, so probably breakfast will be the only elaborated meal that you may have. Okay, when you reach there, you may be having an immensely busy schedule. So जब आप breakfast के लिए जाते हो, you have to actually fill yourself up बहुत अच्छे से, क्योंकि शायद coming meals may be like hassle में ले रहे हो या जल्दबाजी में ले रहे हो, you don't know. So what you do is take your plate and straight walk to the salad section. No muffins and no pastries and no Danish pastries on that day, please. Especially in the morning, just lead yourself to the fruits, fresh cut fruits, salad section. There'll be a lot of elaborated stuff in front of you, but just avoid it. Why I'm saying this is because carbohydrate will add on to your bloating. Okay, please note it down. There are a few things that we are not going to have a day before your event. So one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate may lead to a lot of bloating. So bloating will make it uneasy for a lot of us. Okay, बहुत सारे लोगों को issues होती हैं gut की, digestion की. तो कोई भी form of carbohydrate एक दिन पहले से आप बंद कर दोगे. दूसरी चीज है sugar. Sugar again will, जैसे हम कुछ मीठा खाते, we get this life is settled and like relaxed, dullness आ जाती है body में. So let's not have sugar on the final day, in the day of finale, क्योंकि we want promptness and not dullness for sure. ठीक है, we have to be on our toes, we'll be on your heels and बहुत energy चाहिए हमको उस दिन. Instead, go for caffeine. Carry black coffee along. And ladies, also carry your own food. Okay, I'll talk about it later, but what all you can carry along. Third of all, you have to restrict salt on the final day. इससे हमारी water retention होती है. Your stomach may bulge out, and क्योंकि हम सब इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, your designers are really working hard, and it's not about getting skinny or whatever. It's about appreciating each other's work. Like you are sitting and listening to me, and there are ladies who are working behind you to make you look gorgeous. So finale gown should fit beautifully. That is our concern, right? After all, sitting here in the session of a nutritionist. So let's eliminate these three things, and I'd like somebody to answer Shruti, would you like to answer what are the 3 things we are going to eliminate a day before finale?
Ma'am, you're asking me?
Yes,
So
please.
sorry, I couldn't hear the question. I'm actually outside.
No problem. I'll repeat
Can
myself.
you repeat?
Yeah.
Lot of noise.
I'm asking what are the 3 things you should ignore, eliminate a day before your finale? I just talked about it.
Okay, eliminating from your diet, which will help you.
Yeah, no,
Yes,
no,
of
no.
course, you
Finale
can
के दिन पे आप
eliminate.
क्या-क्या चीजें? Yes,
You
please.
can just type the question. I can answer that.
Okay, I'll ask someone else. Okay, you are outside. Probably there is disturbance in the network. I'll ask Daksha.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Daksha.
Ma'am, firstly, we should avoid eating sugar on the day of finale, and we should restrict having salt. And the other thing, we should carry our own food like fruits and have should like light food we should have.
Yes, sugar and then
We shouldn't have carbohydrate because it may lead to bloating.
yes, very nice. And we'll also keep ourselves free of sugar. Okay, sugar free, nahi free of sugar. I hope you know the difference. Yeah. So we'll be keeping free of sugar. Okay. So these are the 3 things, and what you'll carry is your protein shakes and protein bars. They have a tendency to break down and give energy in 2 hours of time. Okay. So say suppose आपका makeup on है and you have to, you're hungry now. So Tabassum, would you like to tell me कि आप क्या खा सकते हो जब आपका makeup on हो चुका है and you're feeling hungry?
Protein bar or something like that.
Right, protein bar, protein shake, cut fruits, fruit juices, आप ये सब खा सकते हो. Try to carry your own stuff also because you don't know कि आप कहाँ पे stuck हो. तो आप roasted चना carry कर सकते हो अपने साथ. अगर आप local हो तो try to get some eggs along. अगर आप दूर से आ रहे हो तो कुछ snack आप लेकर आओ अपने लिए. But make sure it is carb free. And this is all we have to do while we are there. Of course, there'll be finale ka end, and there'll be a lot of indulgence that we are all going to do. But before the finale and on the day, we'll have to be very, very careful. Okay. So these are things we'll do. And one more thing that I mentioned in between, caffeine. आप coffee ले सकते हो to keep your energy up. क्योंकि ऐसा हो ही सकता है क्योंकि आपने ठीक से sleep ना ली हो या फिर you can feel low. तो आप caffeine अपने साथ थोड़ी सी coffee carry करो and have it in in a black coffee form. So these are the things. And the final thing that I'd like to ask and talk about is, you are, accepted at all sizes and all shapes and all color tones at FCR. You all believe in that, right? We have different kinds of faces all across the screen. So please do not get stuck with any comments or anything that comes to you or your body. Never. You would not give up. Because imagine yourself standing in front of the mirror and seeing yourself, that what is the most beautiful aspect of yours? What is the most beautiful attribute of yours? We know somebody, can say कि आपकी आँखें beautiful है, आपकी back beautiful है, आपकी neck beautiful है. Whenever you are out there, remember to flaunt that particular attribute of yours. Do not shy away from doing it. आपको पता है कि आपकी walk कैसे करनी है, आपको पता है कि आपको अपना makeup कैसे करना है. You've been very well trained by your trainers. So do not give away on any such comments. We are promoting body positivity here. So when a nutritionist is sitting over here, it does not mean that you have to come to a certain weight. We do not. मैंने कभी भी नहीं कहा कि आपको reduce करके एक certain number पे आना है, right? I have always been talking कि आपको healthy रहना है, आपको stamina build करना है. So make sure you do not get shaken by anybody's comment out there. So how do you really, when you're on the ramp and you're out there, your walk is about to happen. Okay, imagine you're there. अब बताओ अगर आपको nervousness हो रही है, how can you actually handle that nervousness? Human body has a tendency to give up on things. Semantika, would you like to share a few pointers with us?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Sakshi. So basically, before any fashion show or any like runway walks, what I have been trained by my groomers is to take like 3-4 deep breaths, because that helps to calm your nerves down. And then you just have to like feel confident, take deep breaths, and not, focus on what is going to happen if there's a negative. Like focus that सब कुछ ठीक ही होगा. तो वो वैसे 2-3 things if you keep in mind, you're like good to go, even if you like hit the stage.
Absolutely. Coming from the expert, it actually means a lot for all of us कि सबसे पहले आपकी जो प्रैक्टिस है वो इतनी अच्छी होती है जब तो हम नर्वस नहीं होते हैं. तो make sure you're doing your practice really well. Second of all, as Mantika said, आपकी breath, आप deep breath लो. Just focus on coming to the present. Bring yourself, visualize yourself that you are present in the surrounding. You finally made it. So visualize yourself there and convert your nervous energy into enthusiasm. How do you do it? By smiling, wide smile. आपकी smile जितनी ही wide रहेगी, लोगों को बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता चलेगा आप nervous हो. Okay? So make sure you're smiling, and of course you have been trained to smile also. Follow those norms also, but then try to do this as well. Make sure you are not getting nervous and have some water. There's a trick that I shared with some batches that you can try. If you do not have availability of water, you can bite the internal of your cheeks with your teeth and you will see that you will start salivating. Can we try that? See, we are salivating. This helps you getting less nervous and you'll be able to speak better. Like maybe you are on the mic and you are about to speak. So this is from my end. All of you, I hope you had some insight of how to go about it and how you'll be presenting yourself, conducting yourself in terms of food out there. So all the best, ladies. It's a pleasure being with you. And I'd like to hand over this to Harry now.
Thank you so much, Sakshi. I shall take your leave so you can take a good breath, and I'm sure. So for that, of course, I know there are lots of questions in all your minds. So I'm sharing Sakshi's Instagram and Facebook details into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot, follow her on these respective platforms, and reach out to her in case you have any specific queries. She would be more than happy to help you out personally with your diet plans. Thank you, Sakshi, taking your leave, and I shall see you really soon.